Hi, my name is Alexander Lukyanov, and in this video we will review basic Magento admin interface. When we do login into Magento 2.4.1 admin, we can see this kind of page. At the left, we have our menu. We can navigate through different Magento sections. I will tell you about these sections in future videos. At the top, we have name of this current page. We have search. It helps us to navigate to the page we want to find. For example, we can find order number, customer name here, or some admin settings. So let's type payment methods. And it gives us results in products, orders, customers, CMS pages, or straight into payment methods at the admin configuration. We have our messages, notifications. Magento sometimes gives us notifications when there a new release came out, or some updates for modules, or even security patches. If we will see it here, we can remove, mark as read, or just click on them. Also, we have menu where we can edit our account, which this menu allows us to open our account information and change it. We can navigate to customer view, or we can log out. Let's go back. We can go back by clicking the top left Magento sign. At the right, at the next element, we have its scopes and reload data. The scopes allows us to switch between Magento stores. In my installation, I have just default store, view, one store, and one website. I will tell about it in future videos as well. We can also relate data. What it means, it will reload our lifetime sales, average order, last order, and all information we can see here. It will also reload revenue, tax, shipping, and quantity. We can see that this portion chart is disabled. To enable chart, click here. We can enable it. Let's do it. Save, and let's go back. And we can see now that we have a small chart which gives us orders in the last 24 hours, 7 days, current month, year-to-date to year-to-date. And the same chart would be generated for order amounts. Underneath we have the sellers, where we will see our best sellers products, most viewed products, new customers, just customers which had placed more orders. And in case we use Yotpo, we can see Yotpo reviews. And the one portion I missed is advanced reporting. When we will configure advanced reporting, we can open this page and we will see reporting. I will make another video about advanced reporting as well. At most of the Magento pages, you will have a grid. Grid consists from action buttons. They come at the top. In this case, we have create new order. When we will open customers, it will be add new customer. For product, it would be add product, and also you can see there might be some options how we want to add product. In some grids, we can search in this grid by keyword. We have action panel. When in this case, we can do some changes for selected items. At this installation, I don't have any items, but in case we will have, there will be checkbox at the left. And also we can sort by fields. As you can see, we can select how many records we want to see per page. We can navigate by pages. We can select which column we want to see in our admin grid. It can be configured for different entities. So we look at products now. If I will go to sales orders, I can do the same for orders. I will see different columns here and I can show or hide them. Also, in some grids you can export data to CSV or Excel, and you can create different views. Also, you can filter. You can filter by visible fields. There are different filter types, and filters different for different entities as well. In this case, you cannot create filters, but views. Views allow you to combine different columns. This way you can have view where you want to see just order status and ID, and in some cases you want to get a different set of information. This way you don't have really long grid. And I think it's almost everything for basic Magento installation. Most of menus have the same grids. Once you open grid, you can navigate to the Magento form, where you can see form. Let me see if I have pages. So in this case, I have CMS pages that comes built in with Magento. And let me explain you actions. I can select one of the pages and apply actions to this page. So I can click edit and I will open form where I can edit page, or I can do it from the right menu. At the form I also have navigation bar with actions where I can go back, remove page and do other specific actions. They depend on entity as well. And there's groups of different fields. They can be different for different entities. It will be different for customers, for products, for orders. You don't have this kind of group fields because you can't edit orders. For orders, you can just view order. I hope this video was useful for you. Tell me in comments what is the most interesting Magento area or functionality you want me to review. We'll be happy to do it. Thank you.